PIPAc Project is aiming to develop a new microfactory for active ingredient production.
PIPAc stands for Production Intelligente de Principes Actifs. We want to offer the pharma industry a new solution for the production of active pharmaceutical ingredients.
What will make a game changer is really to pilot this unit using artificial intelligence.
The role of Bruker in the project is to provide the analytical requirements.
Our goal is to have an early adopter within this year, 2023, to work on a new drug.
The most important, the more remarkable, is that we will offer to pharma a continuous flow solution.
We are convinced that the PIPAc solution will also allow the pharma industry to relocate some manufacturing of drugs, new drugs or existing drugs in Europe.
PIPAc Project is a game changer. It will change the way we produce API in the industry.